A lot of people on here right now, they're trying to turn $100 to 1,000. They're trying to turn 1,000 to 10,000. They're trying to turn 10,000 to $100,000. Calvin, I'm trying to turn 500 to 10,000. All of this stuff is possible with crypto. I am saying the truth. Now, of course, you have to pick really good projects with low market caps. You don't know which ones those are. That's why it's important to have a balanced and diversified portfolio, which is what I talk about in my ebook. If you don't have it, link is in the bio. But I'm going to show you, stop trying to swing for the fences, right? And turn your $1,000 to $100,000 or $1,000 to 10,000. You don't need to do that. Let me show you what you need to do. All right, watch this. This is good stuff. I'm just going to show you here, and I'm going to do this on the daily, just to show you how fast you can multiply crypto. It's ridiculous. We're looking at render, right? We're looking at render. This project is a dope project. Trust me on this one. You see this chart, right? You can see that it's going up, down, up, down, up. I'm going to get rid of all of this noise because this is a lot of noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at the Heikin-Ashi candle real quick. See how I cleaned it up for you? Ooh, wait a minute. Do it again, Calvin. See, this is regular candles. A lot of people that don't know how to trade, they get confused. They don't know if the market is up or down. They don't know how to do all that stuff. I'm just going to show you Heikin-Ashi candles, which shows you trends. Now, I'm literally just going to trade the trend. Look, here, I'm getting in. Here, look, I'm not trying to catch the top. I'm only going to get out when I see a red candle. Listen, is that fair? Look what happens when I look what happens when I turn this back to regular candles. Look. You see that? You don't know. You sitting here and you see this, you don't know when to get out, this, that, and the third. You got to be really good to understand this shit. It takes a lot. So I'm just trading the trend. I'm showing y'all something. I'm giving you something that's going to make you a lot of money. So I'm here because the candle turned green, so I got in, right? You could have got out here, but the trend is still going up. But I'm getting out at this red candle right here. Look, that's 356%. 366, I should say. See that? Well, what's the next trend? Well, I'm probably going to get in, right? Look, this candle turns green. I didn't catch it at the bottom, so I caught it here at this wick, and I got out at this red candle. See the red candle right there? Boop, about 24%. I didn't catch that. You're not good enough to catch this. This is a downswing. That means you're right here. You're shorting the market. But you see a green candle. You did not catch the bottom. You caught it here. So it came in. And when you get out, you're going to get out right here at this red candle because you're not trying to get the top. You're not good enough to catch the top. Not many people are. Okay. You didn't catch this. This is too small of a trade here. Boom. You caught this. You got out here. Why am I showing you this? You'll see. I got in right here. I got out the red candle right there. This is going to be so dope. I got in this green candle right here. I got out at this red candle. I didn't even catch. Look, I'm not trying to catch the top up here. Stop it. Get out here, right? This red candle, right? And you didn't catch none of this stuff because this is a downtrend. And there's other ways to spot that. So how does this work? Well, here's what most of y'all are trying to do. You're trying to listen to people on YouTube and all that. And you're trying to turn your $1,000 to $10,000 and you're trying to put it into Pepe and all this, that, and stuff. You know, when you get really good projects, you could just do the trend. Watch this. $1,000. Calvin, how do I know when these are gonna, actually do this stuff? Oh, I'm sorry. You can just go here to your indicator. Look, I'm clicking on the indicator here. I'm sliding down stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI. Pay attention. Look. Oversold. Probably a good place to get in. Overbought. But I didn't get out here because the candles were still showing me we had an uptrend. So if you would have got out here, look, you would have that was a lot of money you would have missed. Most of y'all would have got out of the market right here, not me, because I can still see that this is an uptrend. So I didn't get out to up here, right here at this candle. Who's paying attention? Oversold, overbought. Wow. Oversold, overbought. Look. You see it right there. The trend changed. You see that? So I'm just literally coming in when it oversold, overbought. Who's paying attention? That's all I'm doing. I'm just following the trend. You see what I'm doing? Okay. Now you got two indicators. You got Heikin-Ashi candles there to show you a trend. And I just gave you the stochastic RSI. You might want to come in when it's oversold. You might want to get your ass out when it is overbought and that candle turns red coming from these green candles, which is an uptrend. Who's paying attention? Now you got $1,000. Let's see what happens to $1,000. $1,000 and you got 366% gain on that. Ooh, wow, plus 366%. Wow. You turned $1,000 to 4,600, and all you did was one trade there. Wow. You came in here and you kept following the trend. This is about a 23% trade. I would call it 24 if you want to, right? So that's, look, you got $4,600, right? You sold out right here when you got 4,600, and you're sitting on the sideline in a stable coin called USDT or Tether. You wait. You do not know how to short this market, so that's too advanced. Stop it. You wait and you wait for it to get oversold, and you take this 4,600 and you come back into the market. That was another 24% on your money. Who's paying attention? 24% right there. You see where it's going, don't you? 5,000. Now you got $5,778 right here. You got out of the market. Remember, you did not catch none of this. You're not good enough to short the market like that. You waited for it to get completely oversold, and you waited for this candle to turn green, and you got back in with your $5,700, and you got able to look, that's another 41% on your money. Who's paying attention? So plus 41% right there. Wow. Damn. Now you got 8 grand. We started off with $1,000 over here. You get where this is going, right? That was 52. That's 37 right there. Are y'all seeing what's going on here, right? That was 41. Look, plus 37% right here. Wow. Plus another 51% up there. Look at that, plus 51% right there. I think I might have even skipped one. You start off with $1,000 over here. That turned into about 17 grand. How long did that take, Calvin? From here, look, from here to over here when we got our ass out the market, right? That was January. Hello. And that was May, right? Let me show you how many days it is so you can see it. From here to over here. That was 144 days. In 144 days, you turned $1,000 to about 17 G's. How many trades did you make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. 6 trades. 6 trades in 144 days. You turn $1,000 to about 17 grand. We're not even in a bull market. I just showed y'all that because somebody asked me. Drew Jones said, bro, show how to multiply crypto numbers. That's just render. Can you imagine what that looks like in other crypto projects? Like Singularity Net and Algorand and Hedera and all these other stuff that be pumping around. This just render. Now you understand how serious crypto is now? Some of y'all don't be believing it when people tell y'all, hey, I started off with $1,000 and in about 6 months I turned $1,000 into like 250 grand. And you're like, that's cap. No way. Well, here's the part that you don't understand because there's levels to this. I just showed you spot trading just going up on the trends. Watch me. Let me show you how this turns from 1,000 easily to about 100 grand. What are you talking about? Everything that you saw going up, we also trade going down. I just showed you getting out of the market. These are you shorting the market. That means everything that you see here, those same percentages are going down too. So you're making that money going up. You're also making the money shorting the market. So now you automatically know that will put you around about 30 or 40 grand over here, right? Yeah, okay. Lot more. Well, guess what else you could do? Some people put leverage on their trades. 2x leverage, 3x leverage. Don't be believing the hype when people tell you 10 and 50 and all that. No. The average person that really knows how to do this, 2 and 3x leverage on your money. We can turn $1,000 literally from over here to 100 G's in 144 days. $1,000. So do you teach? You got a course?